turned it on for a second, bro.
Bro, it's how? Why? What are you cooling down? Oh, there's poke.
Yeah, but the tire pokes out. Stop.
Yeah, it's camber. You didn't know?
I had no idea.
Badgeskins. I ordered this shit on June 12th, and it's what, July 24th right now? Why are you painting the shop?
So I'm just moving fast.
Oh, okay, bad. So we finally got it. It's taken roughly around a month and a week. They weren't kidding when they said 4 to 5 weeks minimum, so here we are finally. All right, so I got the knife. I've actually never unboxed one of these. The guy recording, say hi, wave.
What's up?
Lit. He actually got one of these because he went to a car meet that Badgeskins was sponsoring, but it never actually came in a box, so we don't actually know what's in here. All right, so here we are. It's actually very nice, very nicely packaged. For some reason, 12 is on there. I kind of wiped off the proudly handmade by whoever. If you recognize this box with 12, what the fuck is going on? Whoever you are that handmade this, I'm sorry. It actually, I went to go pick it up and I wiped your name off, so apologies. This box is full of BS.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
So scratch everything we've said about the nice packaging. Bro, this looks like they rolled up a piece of shit. Rolled up a piece of shit.
What the fuck is this? All right, Badgeskins, don't hate me, but what is this? It looks good joint. Oh, that's it. Okay, so we have a Harry Potter scroll.
We got the stickers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. Shut the box up for a second. That's actually kind of sick. Oh, and they actually gave you the alcohol pads. They gave us 4. They clearly think I'm gonna fuck up, which... Foul looking package aside, let's see what this looks like.
While you figure that out.
No, not product placement. We're not sponsored by Stanley. Making turbo noises. All right. Ooh. All right. So, air release. Damn.
That's gonna look dope.
That's actually perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, and it covers your like amber thing there.
That's the thing. And so you have the option of going with the gloss black. I went with the matte black. It doesn't look very matte.
It
black,
is raining.
There's a.
It is raining.
How the fuck?
There's a tornado.
Yo, you want to back up?
There's a tornado warning?
There's apparently a tornado warning.
Let's see how long this takes. I can't even read it. Hold on. There we go. It's 1:48. Why the fuck is my sleep on?
First step is to... Did I cut my...
No, you cut your headlight. This isn't new.
Whatever. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. I have to make sure I take off the right one, so I gotta go all the way there. Could you
just back it up a bit? This is like a there you go. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so
it's not like
it's not a line.
Just like it's good here. Just like, you know what? Hold on. Lift it up, like up to here. There you go. And slowly start putting it down. Come on, where's?
No, there's none in it.
Let me find a quick one.
Ah!
Hold on, you have to like put.
Whatever. Cool. Executive number.
Yeah. Just don't show my photo, please.
Got you. Well, you've already showed your face. Oh, you mean the photo?
Yeah. The photo was rough. Box of shit they gave me. I hope that corner's gonna stick.
Yeah, I really hope so.
Wait. Yeah, I think we're perfect.
I think it's good. the next side, at least we'll know what to do. But
Yeah.
it's still not perfect, but. Wait, take the handbrake off. Take the handbrake off. Off. No, like, oh, the handbrake is off? Oh, yo, come take a look. Okay.
That looks sick.
That looks really good. All right, so change of plans because it's now downpouring. So we took it inside. We should have done this on the same game. Our neighbor's biking. You want to show?
Like, this is.
Full on. Yeah. Hey, good. Okay, so here let's show exactly what's going on. It's on. You can see it's not necessarily perfect, but it's on. That's the good thing. The hardest part is there's going to be some water in here that's going to be stuck here for a bit, but the majority is on with no issues. Oh, yo, come outside. That looks good. That like completely changes the car. With the red trim delete as well. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. You have the key?
Yeah. All right. Now just keep it inside.
Okay.
Well, it's still drying.
Well, next up, fixing this because it actually chipped off. So I had to use a bit of Sharpie to actually fix it. All right.